Hello everyone, welcome to HTML Series 1 Part 2. In the last video, I'm just going to browse through this really fast. We did this, we just show you the basics of the HTML tags. Now we're going to get started with new stuff that we can learn about. Okay, sorry about that, I had to stop it for just 1 second. And we're gonna delete this right here. I'm gonna delete this. Okay. And as we all know, on a HTML page, there's the HTML tags, heading, and the body tags, where everything goes. So we're gonna put as the last HTML Series 1 Part 2. It's just the title. This will help me. And on this tutorial we're going to be talking about tables and how you can center them and everything. So first we're going to center everything out. Now that we have that, we're going to put a table right on the center of the page. And let's put some stuff on the table. So I want to put table background as white, but now I want to put a border as 1. But yeah, okay, so you guys may be asking me, why am I putting the background color as white? Well, it's because on my body tag I'm going to put it as gray. Yep. And my Safari just closed. I don't know why. Let me just open it up again. Give me 1 second. Okay. Let me go open up localhost. Open up text again. And here we have it. Okay. I'll go back to PHP Designer. Gray. Okay. So here we have on our table, we have the table tag, which is these two. And yeah, they are in pair like everything else. And on the table you have table row and table data. Table data is TD or TH. TH, the text is bolded inside, and TD, the text is not bolded. So let's say TR is a table row. It's like the row, and you divide the rows with table datas, which is TD or TH. So I'm going to give you guys an example. Let's put here row 1, cell 1, and we're going to put here row 1, sorry, cell 2. Now we're going to add another table row, just doing the same thing, but this is row 2, cell 1, and I'll make this one TD row 2, cell 2, and I'll show you guys what we have so far. HTML 1 part 2. Let me go here on Tuts and I'll show it to you guys. As you can see, this is row 1, cell 1, row 1, cell 2, and row 2, cell 1, and row 2, cell 2. And here we have our background as gray, and the table is with the background color white, and we have our border. So you can also change. Let's say you want a particular table data to be one color, you can put it also right there. Let's say you want this one as red, row 1, cell 1, red, and you also want row 2, cell 2 as red. So we're gonna put on these two BG color red. Now we're gonna save it and we're gonna check it out. As you can see, these two have a red background to it, and these two are just white, and this one is bolded, of course. And if you want to add a title, you can do so by adding caption, and let's say caption title. going to save that and show it to you guys. It's going to show up right here. See, caption title. It belongs to the table, but it does not have like a background to it. So if you want it to like have a background on it also, you would have to make it as a colspan. So we're gonna make a new table row on top of everything, and we're gonna make a table data with a line. No, we're not. We're gonna put and with colspan equals 2. Now we're gonna close the table data, and we're gonna put title right here, and I'll show it to you guys. As you can see, it occupies both table datas, and it's not censored. So I'll censor right now. You censor by putting a line equals center. It should be centered, as you can see right there. So now you may be asking, what's colspan and why 2? Well, colspan, it's gonna span all the columns beneath it. So like all the table data. So like right here, you see there's 2 table data in each row. So you want this to occupy both of those. So you put colspan equals 2. If you didn't put any colspan here, I'll take this out. I'll copy. Save that. Look how it would be. See? It wouldn't be on both. So for you to do that, you would have to put colspan on it, and it will work. You can do other stuff with this. You can also add an image to this. You can add it as a, let's say you want this to be a paragraph, you can do so also. You can put colspan. I want it to look good, so I'm going to put it as colspan. And you can put your blah 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 in here. Spell blah wrong. Whatever. And it will work, as you can see right there. If you want to like separate like the middle, you can add a line break. I showed you guys how to, and it's right there. If you want to center, go to a line equals center, and should be working. And right there. And that's basically it. Now, next video, I will talk about the CSS, like the background and everything else, with links. I'll add them as a CSS style sheet, and we'll be making kind of a page like this with a title and header. Please subscribe if you haven't already, so as soon as I add a movie to YouTube, you can always watch it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.